Hey, what's up, Car Garage family? Welcome back to another episode. Today, we have a treat for all the motorcycle enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the 2025 BMW R18. This piece is a perfect blend of classic design and modern technology. So, let's gear up and get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. The BMW R18 2025 carries forward the iconic retro cruiser look, inspired by the classic BMW R5 from the 1930s. Notice the long, low profile, the massive exposed engine, and the overall minimalist aesthetic. It's a nod to the past, but with a futuristic twist. Underneath this retro styling, we've got some serious engineering. The R18 2025 is powered by 1.802cc boxer engine, the largest BMW has ever produced. It churns out a whopping 91 horsepower and 116 pounds-feet of torque. This means you get plenty of power and torque, perfect for those long highway cruises. Comfort is key when it comes to cruisers, and BMW has nailed it with the R18 2025. The seat is ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort on long rides. The riding position is relaxed, with forward foot controls and wide handlebars that give you that classic cruiser feel. Now, let's take a look at the tech. The R18 2025 is equipped with a digital instrument cluster that blends seamlessly with the classic design. You get all the essential info at a glance: speed, RPM, fuel level, and more. Plus, it comes with 3 riding modes: rock, roll, and rain, allowing you to adapt the bike's 116 pounds-feet of torque. This means you get that incredible low-end grunt perfect for cruising. Now, let's talk about the riding experience. The R18 2025 isn't just about looks, it's designed to provide a smooth and enjoyable ride. With its low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution, handling is surprisingly agile for a bike of this size. BMW has equipped the R18 2025 with top-notch suspension and braking systems. The telescopic fork and cantilever suspension at the rear ensure a comfortable ride, even on bumpy roads. And when it comes to stopping power, the dual-disc brakes at the front and single-disc at the rear with ABS provide ample stopping force, ensuring safety and confidence on the road. Technology-wise, the R18 2025 doesn't disappoint. It features a sleek digital display that gives you all the essential information at a glance. You've got riding modes like rain, roll, and rock, which adjust the throttle response and traction control to suit different riding conditions. Another standout feature is the lighting system. The full LED setup not only enhances visibility but also adds to the bike's striking appearance. The headlamp with its circular design and the taillight integrated into the rear fender make the R18 look distinctive day and night. Comfort is key for any cruiser, and the R18 2025 delivers with its well-padded seat and ergonomic design. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the seating position is relaxed and comfortable. Plus, BMW offers a range of accessories like saddlebags and windshields to enhance your touring experience. In conclusion, the BMW R18 2025 is a masterpiece that blends classic aesthetics with modern performance and technology. It's a bike that not only looks stunning but also offers a thrilling ride. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of cruisers, the R18 is sure to impress. Alright, Car Garage family, that's a wrap for today's episode. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the BMW R18 2025, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments what you think of this bike and what other vehicles you'd like us to review. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.